She's my little Sophie Wolfie. She's like, I'm not about this life. Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Ashley, and today I have a new video for y'all. A darker fall kinds of look. I got 2 new products this past weekend. The Fenty STUNNA lip paint in Unveil. You guys already know I have this in Uncensored, the beautiful classic red. So I got it in the brown shade, so I'm going to be putting that on in this video for the very first time. And I was just browsing at Marshall's and I came across the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and this palette, I wanted it last Christmas. These colors aren't ones I would normally wear every single day, but I still had it in the back of my mind, and since I saw it there, I was like, okay, I'm gonna grab it. It was $30, so great deal. And yeah, I don't know, like I know that they carry out of season makeup there as well as overstock and makeup that didn't make the cut. So you know what? They make the cut for my makeup collection, so I'm gonna get them. So today we're going to do a fall look using only the Anastasia Prism palette. So if you have this palette or if you come across it and you don't know what to do with it, here is one idea for you. You've probably seen this choker from my Instagram page. I have a handmade jewelry line called Jewel Sophia, named after my 2 cats. Rest in peace, Jewel. So anyways, let's get started. So you can probably already tell I did the rest of my face. I have my contour on, I put on some highlight, but I'm going to put some more on later. And so we're just going to do the eyes today. So first thing we're going to start off with is the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. I decided to switch it up from the Wet n Wild today, so here we go. This eyeshadow primer is like $2. I wouldn't really recommend it as a really good one because the Wet n Wild one is the best one that you can get for a cheap amount of money. But I am just trying to finish it because I don't waste makeup. But this eyeshadow primer you definitely want to pat out before it's too late because it does dry. So we're going to start off with Unity, this beige cream color. And we're just going to put that in the crease and up to the brow bone. So next up we're going to be using the color Saturn, which is this orange color right here. This color kind of reminded me of Realgar in the Modern Renaissance palette, but if you swatch them they are different. So I'll put Realgar on my index finger and Saturn on my middle finger. And here is the difference. So one's a little bit more red and the other one's a little bit more orange. So we're just going to take Saturn now and put that in our crease as well as the inner half. So after the orange, we're going to take this brown color right here called Parallel. Again, this was one that I thought might be similar to the Modern Renaissance palette, Cypress Umber, the brown shade in the corner right there. Oops, right here. But I'll swatch it for you guys and show you the difference. Okay, so Parallel's right here and Cypress Umber is right here. As you can see, one is warmer and the other one's cooler, so they are different. So we're going to take Parallel and put that on the outer corners. Now we're just going to take Eternal, this gorgeous copper shade right here. I'll show you what it looks like. It's very pretty. And we're just going to put that on our eyelids. I'm just going to use my finger. The shade actually feels like a cream. It's so soft and smooth when I'm putting my finger on it. It just feels like a dream. Oh look, a surprise came! Come here! She's not walking, she's floating on cushions. This is Sophie. She sleeps on these lawn chair cushions, so we don't put them away because we love her that much that we keep them out. Bye. Just handing her over. So now I'm just taking this flat brush. I still only did one eye, but I'm just going to use it to kind of blend out or soften that line where the shimmer ends. Okay, so lastly for the eyeshadow, we're going to take Lucid, this holographic highlighter shade right here, and put it on our brow bone. So now I'm just going to apply some liquid eyeliner and wing out my eyeliner. And yeah. So before we put on the lashes, I just want to take some more of that parallel shade, the brown, with a smaller brush and just kind of smoke out underneath the eyes. So now I'm just going to take some Doucce Cosmetics Ultra Precision Liner and line the eyes. This is the first time I'm using this. They actually sent me a bunch of products that I'm going to be doing a review video on, but I don't have black eyeliner right now, so I'm just going to have to dive into the collection. So here is the black liner. The eyeliner actually goes on extremely smooth. And now we're just going to put on some lashes. I have the Kiss Look So Natural Lash in Flirty.
5 minutes later.
So I'm just going over my lashes with some Milk Makeup Kush mascara just to blend them in better. So now for the moment of truth, we're going to put on the Fenty Beauty STUNNA Lip Paint in Unveil, which is the brown. Here it is. It's like a milk chocolate brown. It's really pretty. And you're supposed to shake it first, just like the other one. It has that really cool doe foot, kind of weirdly shaped applicator like the other one. Ooh. With Uncensored and this brand, just a STUNNA lip paint line in general, I am extra careful with applying it because I feel like it's also a stain, so if you mess up, it's going to be very hard to remove. I really like it. So here is the final look. What do y'all think? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on that red button down below. We reached 700 subscribers a few days ago, so I'm really excited about that. Next goal is 1,000, hopefully by the end of 2018. We'll see. Let's speak it into existence. 1,000 by the end of 2018. Yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment. What is your favorite makeup brand, high-end or low-end? I'll see you in my next video. Bye!